Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Unexplained Shocks Around a White Dwarf Star. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see a white dwarf star. Now, which one is it? Well, it's the brighter object to the left there. That is actually a white dwarf star, which is what happens at the end of the life of most stars in the universe. The vast majority of stars will eventually use up their fuel, expand into red giants and then to supergiants, and will expel those layers into outer space. So those outer layers will be expelled out into space, and the white dwarf star, the compact core of the star, will be left behind. Compact stars like a white dwarf are compacted down as far as they possibly can be. Essentially, in a white dwarf, it's so close that the electrons in the atoms are squished together as close as they can be, reaching quantum mechanical limits that prevent them from occupying the same quantum states at the same time. So that is the pressure that then holds up this star against gravity. And eventually, our sun will become a white dwarf as well. Now, what is so interesting about this one? Well, the unexplained shocks that we see around it. So this gas that we see around it looks like a bow shock from water traveling around a ship. As the ship pushes through the water, the water gets left behind. And we see something similar here. Now, the color coding here represents the emission from different elements. There are red, green, and blue colors used to represent the glowing hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen gases that occur in this nebula around the star. So what is actually happening here? Well, this is one of those things that we just don't know yet. There are a number of things that probably could cause it, but which of them is correct is a good question, and we don't know what is powering these shocks and what would power them for such a long period of time. We can tell that they've existed for at least 1,000 years. Based on terms of size and everything, we can get an idea of how long they've been there. So whatever is powering them needs to have been able to have lasted for 1,000 years as well. So it would be interesting to see as future studies of this star, as shown here, imaged by the very large telescope down in Chile, and see what we can learn about this type of star, which gives us a view into, what our star will eventually become. So will our sun eventually do something like this? Or will it be a much calmer white dwarf without the large shocks around it, as we see in today's image? So that was our picture of the day, titled Unexplained Shocks Around a White Dwarf Star. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Cradle Alpha. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.